Okay, now you know how to hold the guitar. Now I'm going to show you how to hold a pick. The pick, or plectrum, is one of the more common ways to articulate sound on the guitar. In other words, to start the note. I want to show you how to hold it. Most of the pick is for you to hold. So I want you to take a nice solid thumbprint, put it right there on the logo, and then this finger curls around. We used to call it a cow bite when I was a kid. It's a vicious way to pinch somebody. So push your thumb right there, so take up most of the pick, and then this finger curls around, and now you're holding the pick. The rest of your fingers will sort of hang loose. It sort of looks like a fist, but they're not. They're really very loose, so they're usually touching the guitar at some point, so I can more easily find the string with the pick. Notice I've only got just a little bit of the pick sticking out. This gives me a very firm grip on it, and I'm holding it loosely so that it can bend up and down as I strum. This is Ben Brown with MoreThanGuitar.com, and this has been How to Hold a Pick.